Hello, this is J&M Reviews, and let me tell you why this is my favorite collagen so far in my pantry. So this was a free sample by HealthA2Z, and there is 270 capsules here. This is how they look, and you want to drink them 3 times a day. So I usually do one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the early evening. You can easily drink with water, with juice. So I really like the collagen supplements. So there is here the types of collagen that it has. It has collagen 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. And this supports your hair, skin, nails, and joints. Here are some of the nutritional facts that it has. It only has 5 calories per pill, and it has the collagen from hydrolyzed bovine collagen and also for eggshells and chicken. So it's 1,735 mg. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. I like this product. I like what it does when I drink it. And thank you for watching.